today's little projects is this 4.6 modular Ford block that I got on the boring mill right now. And one of the things that goes on with these 4.6 modulars is there's an oil cooler here that mounts to the side of the block. And around this port where the coolant goes through, you get quite a bit of porosity and deep pitting. And this one's not too bad. I mean, it's pitted all the way around the gasket area, but I see them a lot worse than this. And basically is all I do is set these up and just give them a little skim. So we're done with the dial. We're also done with the collet holder. And now we'll just slide in this face mill. And we'll just bring it up nice and close. And we just scratch. And we'll just come down here. We'll take off. We'll start with a 10-thou cut right now. There we go. Cover this up. It keeps the cast iron off my magnet here. Looks like we munched most of it out at least. As you can see, we don't quite cover the whole thing in one pass, so we'll just bump it up a little bit when we come back out. Alright, so that did almost a complete cleanup here, but we got just a little more, so we'll do another 5 or 6 thousandths pass and that should do the trick. Alright, well there we go. Nice and smooth. No more pitting. We should have no problem sealing now. And that's it. That's another one of those jobs that took longer to set up than it took the machine. Not that it took long to set up either, but that's how it goes some days. So that's it. On to the next job for me. Thanks for tuning in, everyone.